Turn any idea into a complete Codex theme. This Build Week plugin brings DexThemes Studio and community directly into the conversation. I asked for a theme inspired by Argentina football at night and named it Argentina Afterglow. DexThemes previews the full workspace, not just swatches. Choose a variant, copy its import, and open Codex appearance. Paste, import, done. The theme is yours. No account required. The catalog is conversational. Search official Codex themes, DexThemes releases, and community submissions. Compare full previews and see daily, weekly, monthly, and historical leaders. GitHub sign-in appears only when I publish. I review the name and both variants, approve the public action, and keep verified creator credit. Creators track themes, rankings, daily and weekly wins, and achievements in one dashboard, where stats grow and new achievements unlock with each milestone. Because DexThemes is open source, users can turn product feedback into a ready-to-review GitHub issue from the same conversation. GPT-5.6 interprets the creative intent. The MCP server validates names, colors, identity, and public actions. The visual app keeps every preview and decision in context. Personal themes, community discovery, and creator recognition, all in one Codex conversation. DexThemes is open source and built for the community.